FireMon helps manage firewall policies in increasingly complex environments. Firewall policy has become so complicated that a simple misconfiguration can result in compliance violations, data breaches, and more. FireMon can help manage your firewall policy across a wide, distributed architecture. FireMon helps you enforce and maintain compliance. It will help you to manage change and reduce risk. It's a scalable solution that can grow as you do. I'm going to demonstrate how to integrate FireMon with F5 Big IP Advanced Firewall Manager. We'll start from the FireMon administration screen. You can see I have 2 devices already added here, and I'm going to go ahead and add a new one. And I'll give it a name, call it that, and set the management IP address. And everything looks good. I also have to configure the login information. Also might want to take a look at the monitoring options, as well as for retrieval, having a scheduled time. Okay. All right. I had already set this up, but we'll go ahead and take a look under workflows. I have configured this workflow right here. And I also have it created for the policy optimizer. One thing that we need to do on the big IP side is set the logs to be sent to the FireMon. So we go over here. And we want to add the IP address of the FireMon right here. And then make sure to update. Okay, so now these logs are being sent to the FireMon. And if we go back here, we want to make sure that we can retrieve the configuration. And remember that we had that scheduled as well, so that will occur automatically. You can see that it's complete. One thing I want to point out is you notice that the health here is critical. And if you look at why, it's down here at the bottom for the log monitoring and usage data, as it hasn't had enough data being sent to it to indicate that it is actually healthy. So eventually that should turn green once you get the logs actually going. Now let's take a look at the FireMon Security Manager. And this dashboard gives you an overview of your device inventory, and it also has an intuitive rule search widget here so that you can easily find the rules you're looking for. So let's take a look at the policy. Now this gives you a detailed view of your AFM policy. You can see the entire policy's been imported here with all the different actions, services, and so on and so forth. Let's take a look at the compliance dashboard. Now, the compliance dashboard gives you a quick snapshot of your overall compliance. And if we go here to assessment results. These are ones that I have run previously. But what we can do is set one to run right now, and you can see what the options are and what it looks like. Now we can do all the devices or just individual devices. And we'll enable some of these options here, as well as these as well. And then we'll go ahead and run the report. It doesn't take long to run this type of report. And so as you can see here, there's an assessment summary, and below that there is an executive summary. And it gives you a lot of compliance-related ratings and summaries for your devices. It's a useful report if you are working in an industry where compliance is a requirement. So that's all I had to show you today. That's just how easy it is to integrate your FireMon with your big IP AFM. Thank you.